Many patients ask us, why do we need to pay GST for cosmetic surgery? Isn't it a medical procedure? I mean, you have a point. It is a medical procedure done by a medical personnel in a hospital or a clinic. So, why GST? Because currently, under the Indian government rules, healthcare is exempted from GST. But there are some exceptions. Among these exceptions, one is cosmetic surgery. Now, conceptually, why they have chosen cosmetic surgery to be exempted from the exemption is mainly because cosmetic surgery is thought of as a vanity or thing that is not absolutely required to save a life or probably reconstruct your life or to treat you, and there is no disease and somebody comes for improvement in the appearance, and that's the reasoning that the government gives to impose GST on cosmetic surgeries. So that is the reality, and unfortunately the bracket at which cosmetic surgeries are placed is also quite high. Currently it is almost 18%. And that 18% applies to surgeon fees, the operating theater charges, the anesthetist charges, and any other professionals charges that might be required for the conduct of a cosmetic surgery. Now, that is inevitable, unfortunately. There are many lobbies in the country. For example, our organization, Association of Plastic Surgeons of India, and Association of Aesthetic Plastic Surgeons of India, we are all kind of lobbying and negotiating with the politicians to decrease the GST on cosmetic surgeries from 18% to lesser bracket, maybe 12%, which is probably a more fairer GST when you see it as on the world scenario. Worldwide, most of the countries have GST placed at 12%, but currently in India we have 5 different GST brackets, and unfortunately cosmetic surgery is placed at 18%. So see, this is a GST that has to be paid. It doesn't come to your doctor, it doesn't come to your hospital, it actually goes to the government. So be aware of GST. There are some procedures, for example liposuction, rhinoplasty and blepharoplasty, facelifts, and many other cosmetic procedures which attract GST.